The best rug pads for hardwood floors to prevent slipping. We spend a lot of time and effort looking for the right rugs, but the rug pad often gets neglected. So, we have compiled a list of the best rug pads for hardwood floors to help you choose. It's essential to choose a good rug pad that does not lead to a scratched or scuffed flood. Rug pads ensure that the rugs do not wrinkle or bunch up to prevent you from falling. If you buy a low-quality rug, it won't be suitable for the aesthetics of your home or your health. Inferior rug pads have toxins and low-cost adhesives that stick tight to the floor, staining them and spoiling their finish. Available in various styles, colors, and designs, there's something for everyone. Keep watching to pick one that protects your rug and also your flooring. Number 1. Best Dual-Sided Gorilla Grip Rug Pad Gripper. This rug pad for hardwood floors has the unique feature of being dual-sided, so it holds firmly to your rug, as well as your hardwood floor, to prevent your rug from slipping and sliding. This 5 by 8 feet rug pad is non-adhesive and slip-resistant, which doesn't allow your rug to bunch or fold over. It's not visible under the rug, and because it's so soft and dense, your rug feels cushion when you step on it. It's ideal for most hard floors, including tiled and hardwood floors, and it protects them from damage, scuffs, and scratches. It features an open grid design that enhances breathability, offers noise protection, prevents dust from collecting under the rug, and also makes vacuuming easier. What we like: easy to install, versatile, strong grip, available in all sizes for standard rugs. Size can be customized by trimming. Help keep rugs flat. What we don't like: not suitable for acrylic, vinyl, natural stone, lacquered, porous, stairs, or refinished surfaces. Number 2. Best Slip-Resistant Mohawk Home Rug Pads. This dual-surface felt rug pad for hardwood floors measures 5 by 8 feet and protects floors from scratches, abrasions, and the pile of your carpet from furniture indentations. This 0.25-inch thick rug pad has a rubber backing that's slip-resistant and prevents the rug from wrinkling and bunching. This keeps the surface of the rug smooth, making it easy to vacuum. Made from recycled synthetic fibers, this pad will not discolor or stain your hardwood floor, and it gives extra cushioning to your carpet, so that it feels plush and luxurious. It has tapered edges to prevent your rug from curling, and this even reduces the chances of tripping. What we like: easy to size, safe for all floor types, absorbs noise, reduces wear and tear of the rug, ideal for houses with kids and pets. Green Label certified. What we don't like: it may initially have a chemical smell. Number 3. Best Long-Lasting Ninja Rug Pad Gripper for hardwood floors. This 5 by 8 feet extra thick rug pad has super grip and is ideal to place under rugs so that they don't slip, bunch, or skid. They provide cushioning to the rug and are great for families with kids and pets, so that there are no falls or injuries. This rug pad for hardwood floors has a durable, lightweight, and non-adhesive construction, making it very long-lasting. It also protects your floor from scratches and scuffs. Its open weave construction gives it breathability, so that dust does not collect, and vacuuming is easy. They are not only perfect for hardwood floors, but also work well on tiles, laminates, and acrylic surfaces. What we like: easy to install, versatile use, maximum coverage, can be cut to customize size. What we don't like: not for use on lacquered, natural stone, vinyl, acrylic, porous, or refinished surfaces. Number 4. Best Mesh Design Puroma Area Rug Pad. This product is designed to provide an underlay for your area rugs, so that they do not slip and cause tripping accidents. Crafted with thin polyvinyl, this area rug pad adds cushioning to rugs, protects the floor from scratches, reduces noise, and adds to the longevity of your carpet. Made of PVC, it features a mesh design that adds to its breathability and prevents moisture and dust from building up. This rug pad is durable and thick and makes vacuuming easier. Suitable for hardwood floors, laminates, and tile flooring. They are easy to use. Though these rug pads are pre-cut to fit different sizes, they can be trimmed conveniently with scissors to meet your personal requirements. What we like: non-adhesive, cost-effective, versatile use, easy to customize, large surface area for better grip, ideal for households with kids and pets. What we don't like: some may find it too thin. Number 5. Best Hypoallergenic Rugpadusa Rug Pad. This 8 by 10 feet dual-surface rug pad for hardwood floors is 0.25 inches thick and has felt on one side and rubber on the other. It's safe for all floors and protects their finish, while giving a cushy effect to your area rug. It features a slip-resistant, natural rubber backing that grips the floor and keeps the rug securely in place. The pad comprises 14 ounces of rubber and 22 ounces of heat-pressed felt per square yard, which adds to insulation and soundproofing. The felt is 100% recycled and needle-punched, so that there is no buildup of moisture. The rubber backing does not damage or stain the hardwood flooring. This rug pad is safe to use on laminate, tiles, stone, concrete, and bamboo as well. What we like: odorless, low vox, hypoallergenic, no glues, no PVC, no non-stick adhesives, can be easily trimmed with scissors. Available in non-standard sizes and shapes as well. What we don't like: the rubber backing may not take heat well. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products, as it will make your life much easier.